Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see an awesome electric scooter which is Evolt Polo Classic model. So the bike is very super guys. So let's get into the video. So let's see the length, breadth and height of the electric scooter, which is length is 1800 mm and width is 400 mm and height is 750 mm and ground clearance is 170 mm. So the total weight of the bike is 96 kgs. The look is very classic guys. So you can see the bike is very classic and you can see the footpegs drive over here and the Evolt logo over there, and bike is very good guys for seeing. So first of all, let's go to the tires. So the tires, we have the front 90 by 100 set of tires, steep and 00, and tubeless tires guys, front and back 00 tubeless, and the rear is 90 by 100 tires, the same tubeless tires with column brakes. The wheel size is 254 mm, you can see the tires over there, and the wheel size is 254 mm. The alloy wheels, the both side are alloy wheels guys, and disc brakes over here, and electronic ABS system. Don't know what is electronic ABS system, I will put a separate video up for that. Let me know in the comments for that. So see the high suspension of the bike. So front side you have telescopic suspension, and back side you have double shock absorber, and the front side you also have the disc brakes with columns disc brakes. So left and right you have the foot brakes over here. So left and right. So this foot brakes quality is very good. So dust cover for the engine, there is no engine here, motor only motor. So motor cover. So left hand side you have both motor covers. So motor you have BLDC motor guys, I'll tell you in the back. So let's go for the battery. The battery is lithium ion battery, 48 volt 26 Ah battery. The battery has 3 years warranty. You can see the battery over here, that is steady placed over the seat below. You can see over here, and the battery capacity is 1.152 kilowatt per hour, and the motor you have PLDC motor, 250 watt motor, rated power, but max power is 350 watt motor. So motor warranty is 1.5 years guys. The total motor warranty is 1.5 years. And telling about the footrest, the footrest is very good for the luggage carrying also. You can put any luggage over here. And the look is very classic guys. And back side you have a very classic holders. So on the front and back you have both LEDs. So indicators are halogen, but the back and front are LEDs. So you can see the dual LEDs over here. And the color variants, talking about the color variants, there are 5 colors: white, black, red, blue and silver. There are totally 5 colors. So there is another model guys. This model is Evolt Classic Polo Classic, and another model you have Evolt Polo EZ, which is no keyless entry. There is the battery is VLRA battery. So you can see the front light over here. So I will switch on the bike. So switching on the bike, you can see the LEDs, the parking light LEDs. So the color is blue, and the front side has a halogen light type light. There is very yellowish guys. Nowadays all bikes are coming with white LEDs, but this comes with a yellow color LED with high beam or low beam inside. So let me turn on the indicators. So indicators also has a unique look, a classic look. So back side you have the same indicators. So you can see the differences. The indicator is very good guys. For the night vision you can very easily see the indicators. And back danger light. The design is very good. So back side this bike requires no license or registration. This is a limited speed model. So the carrying capacity of the bike is 150 kgs. So talking about the seat quality, this is a single seat, which is very cushionable. So talking about the display, this is a TFT display. So you can see the battery percentage, indicators, turn indicators, high beam, low beam, and the speedometer and the odometer over here, and the indicator turn indicators. It's an TFT display, so there is no problem with seeing in the sunlight. That is very visible to our eyes. So there is more switch over here. The more switch, but there is no more. There is only single mode over here. So talking about the charger, this comes with the auto cutoff option. So charging time is 4 to 8 hours guys, or overnight charger. You can charge the bike at the night. So company claim mileage is 60 to 70 per charge. So display is very good, guys. You can see the display over here. And the price of the electric scooter is 54 to 55k ex-showroom price Delhi. So I will give the showroom details below and the online website of the bike, and you can check it up. And the right side you have of the handlebar, you have brakes and accelerator and the parking release switch, and there is a mode change switch here which is not usable. There is no mode, so you can change over here. There is only single mode. The switch quality is very good. So let's go to the left hand side of the handlebar. On the left hand side you have the indicator switch, horn switch and the high beam low beam switches. The switch quality and everything else are very good. You can see the quality over here. And the high beam and low beam switch. So the brake is very smooth, guys. Anyone can drive this bike. I am talking about it now. This is a scooter, so forgive for that. So let's see. Open the seat. The seat space you can have a ladies helmet over here, and the MCB for the safety features for the locking and everything else. So short circuit, anything else, MCB can trip the bike and save the bike over here. So you can easily lock the bike. So talking about the foot space, you can easily carry any heavy items or any gas cylinders over here. So the space is very good, and you have the luggage carrier and USB charger over here. You can charge your phones and everything else. There comes with an USB charger. On the left hand side you have spaces, on the right hand side there is no spaces, only key slot option over here, and charging port is very over here. So let's talk about the safety features of the bike, guys. This bikes come with an auto lock option, remote key lock option. So there is if you start the bike and accelerate the bike will not go on. If you release the parking switch, the motor will go on first, and then the bike will go. So I have locked the bike. So I will move it front and back for you. The bike will automatically lock the wheel, and there is no moving over here, and give the buzzing sounds over here. So the sound is very heavy. I will reduce the sound for you. Okay, we have unlocked the bike. That's all, guys. So this is an key option which you have to find your bike on the traffic areas. So this is an auto on. You can press the remote and turn on the bike, and go on. So there is no off option on the key. You have to remotely off the bike on the remote. So pressing the key, the bike will go off. So let's go test ride the bike. I am telling you about it. This is an electric scooter, guys. So I will release the parking and go on. There will be a smooth pickup over here. So the main difference of this model and the Polo EZ model, VLR battery, guys, and there is no keyless entry option or remote key option on the EZ model. The price is 5,000 to 6,000 low compared to this bike, and top speed goes up to 29, and the braking is very good, guys. The braking, I will tell about the braking. The braking is very good, and the turning radius of the bike is very short. You can easily drive the bike on short roads or single way roads. So let's test the top speed of the bike on second time. So top speed goes up to 26 for this the shock absorber test also. The shock absorber is very good and very smooth also, guys. So let's park the bike. That's all. The handling of the bike is very super and very easy to handle the bike. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe with your friends and family who wants to buy an electric bike. So let's see you in the another awesome e-bike review or tech related videos. So until then, signing off, Subhas. Bye.